Feeling bloated or belching after meals. It might not be just your diet. It could be your gallbladder speaking up. I'm Dr. Arush Sabarwal from Surgical Center for Obesity and Diabetes, New Delhi, India. Gallstones are often misunderstood. Many think they only cause sharp, sudden pain, but that's not the case. In fact, less than 30% of the people with gallstones actually experience intense pain. Most often, they cause dyspepsia, which includes symptoms like bloating, belching, and indigestion. The truth is, gallstones are a complex disorder caused by malfunctioning of the gallbladder. They do not always show up with the typical symptoms, but they can still affect your digestive health significantly. If you've been experiencing these symptoms, it might be time to take a close look.